what's up everyone? This is the video for this filler number 8 for the 100 ounce silver bar. We're looking for top spot, advances to the main. We're live at 8:56. 8:56. Got the list here, 10 entries, Dan on the top, Dan on the bottom. The 2 dice, 5 or higher. Got 12 times at 8:56. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 times you got Sean on the top. Let's go 12. Good luck at 8:57. 8:57. Last and final roll. Top spot advances to the main. Congratulations goes to spot 5, Bob. Or 6, excuse me, Bob. Congratulations, Bob. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We're done at 8:57. 8:57. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Take care.